hard truth. If your tracking is broken, everything else is a guess. Creative, campaign structure, scaling, none of it matters if your data lies. And for most brands, it does. Tracking is one of the biggest hidden killers of performance. Let's fix it properly. Step 1. Install CAPI correctly. Meta's Conversions API, CAPI, isn't optional. Use a tool or developer to set it up cleanly. No double counting. Browser-only tracking can miss up to 30% of conversions. Step 2. Send clear signals. Platforms optimize based on the events you feed them. If your pixel fires junk, you'll scale junk. Clean events equals clean data equals better results. Step 3. Use UTMs for clarity. Add UTM parameters to all campaigns. They are a second layer of truth, outside the ad platforms, to help spot over-reporting and inflated CPAs. Tools like Shopify Marketing help, even without GA4. Step 4. Audit once, benefit long-term. Set it up right, and you're 80% done. Bottom line, bad data equals bad decisions. Fix tracking early for more accurate, efficient, and profitable scaling. If you're spending below $10,000 per month, sign up for the Performance First AI Copilot on performancefirst.r17ventures.com. If you're already greater than $10,000 per month, reach out at r17ventures.com/contact.